Here's another hail damaged vehicle that we got here in the shop. It's got hail damage all over the vehicle. Here's the roof. As you can see, the damage is pretty extensive, and we're going to show you what it looks like once we're done with the repairs. Here it is after we've finished, and we pulled it outside so that way you can see it a little better. As you can see, you can't see where the dents were. If you have a vehicle with hail damage on it, give the experts at A&G's Paintless Dent Removal a call today.